All right, here we are with an even more complicated absolute value equation to solve. And so remember that you can't deal with the absolute value part until you've dealt with anything on the outside of the absolute value on that side. So we have to get rid of that stuff first. And this one's a good one to do because the 2 plus 8 part can be very confusing. So I want us to think about this absolute value works the same as if this problem was 2 plus 8x equals 90. It works the same way at first. Okay. So if that helps you to think about what do you do first to solve, then absolutely use that. So I hope you can see that if you've got 2 plus 8x, we want to subtract 2 first. That would be our first step. And we would get 8x equals 88, and we would divide both sides by 8 to solve. Okay, so that helps us get started. So we're going to do the same thing over here. Let me erase the line I wrote. We're going to subtract 2 from both sides. 2 minus 2 is 0. We're left with 8. Absolute value, -7 minus 3x equals 90 minus 2 is 88. And now this is just like having 8 times something, right? The absolute value is just something equals 88. That's the same as what we have here. So we're going to divide both sides by 8 to get rid of the 8's in front, right? This would give us x equals 11. And we're going to get 11 here also. But on the left side, we don't just have x, we have this whole thing. Absolute value of -7 minus 3x equals 11. Okay. I'm going to draw those a little bit better. Let me do a straight line. Okay. So that is now the problem that we're ready to start solving the absolute value part. So we did all this just so that we could solve the absolute value. So let me erase the problem that was helping us to figure out this one. And we're going to take this and let's split it into 2 problems. So we've got -7 minus 3x could be -11 because the absolute value of -11 is +11. Or it could be -7 minus 3x equals +11 because the absolute value of +11 is +11. So that would work too. Okay, so all right, 2 problems. So let's add 7 to both sides. -7 plus 7, 0. We have -3x equals -4. We'll divide both sides by -3. And -4 divided by -3 is +4 over +3. So we have one solution is 4/3. All right, let's do the other one. Add 7 to both sides. -7 plus 7, 0. But 11 plus 7 is 18. And we divide by -3. And 18 divided by -3 is -6. So that's our other solution. So let's see, show you the printed or the nicely drawn solutions in those brackets. There's our answers. We have -6 and we have +4/3. Those are the 2 possible answers for x to make that a true equation. I hope that's helpful. Let me know if it's not. Send me a request for more of these. See you next time.